slide. So the subject basically base conversions at the beginning, right? After few classes, once we complete this data conversion, we can move to some other topics, right? So there is a standard syllabus across all the ATI, so I have to follow that. And also after covering the syllabus, then we can learn additional things, so that will be useful for your knowledge, right? So in today's session we will learn, right, in this slide, how to convert decimal fraction. Fraction means decimal value. For example, how to convert this fractional values to binary, and also octal and hexadecimal, right? So that's what today we are going to discuss. So here, these are some examples what we mean by fractions, right? So this is fraction with base 10, this is fraction with base 2, right? So there is no exact relationship between fractional numbers in different number bases. So it means, for example, base 10, right? So for example, base 10 has exact binary value, right? Exact binary value. For example, 255 base 10 is exactly this one, right? Exactly base 2. But in the case of decimal or fractional values, right, we cannot have exactly same value when we convert from one base to another base. So we can get the approximate number, right? We can get the approximate value. So depending on the value, exact conversion may not be possible. So sometimes it will be possible, sometimes it will not be possible. For likewise, you know, right, if we divide 2 by 3, we cannot stop it, right? It will keep on going, right? 0.66, it will keep on going. So if you want to stop, we have to stop it like this. So likewise, right? So there is no any exact conversion. So but we can try to convert to approximate value with some decimals, right? So this is the technique. So now we are going to see how to convert fractional decimal number to binary, octal and hexadecimal. Like the integer conversion is similar, right? We have to divide by the particular base. Here also, for all these three, the step is same, right? The step is same. So let me show you how we can convert fractional decimal number to any base, such as binary, octal or hexadecimal. So this is the technique, right? Multiply the decimal fraction by the base you want to convert that number. For example, right. So let's take one number, for example, 0.525 in base 10. So what we mean by fraction is this, right? It's not a whole number, this is a decimal number. It has 0.525, right? So now what we have to do is, if you want to convert this kind of fractional number to binary, for example, the step or method is same, right? So first multiply the decimal fraction by the base you want to convert that number. So multiply the decimal fraction that is here. This is the decimal fraction. So 0.525 by the base you want to convert. So we want to convert to base 2, right? We want to convert to base 2. So we have to multiply it by that base. That base is 2, right? That base is 2. Now, if you multiply this, how much you will get? So I'm for the simplicity, I make like this, right? 550, right? Now we have to multiply this, then we get 1.1 we will get. Correct or wrong? We will get 1.1, right? 0.55 multiplied by 2, we will get 1.1. Keep the integer in the product as it is. So this is the product, right? So what we are doing is, I will show a few examples, right? Don't worry. So 0.55 is the value. Now we want to convert this to base 2, right? Convert this to base 2. So what are the steps? First, multiply the decimal fraction by the base you want to convert that number. So we want to convert to base 2. So this decimal number, what we are doing is we are multiplying by our base. So 2. Then we get 1.1. Now we are told keep the integer in the product as it is. So this is the integer, right? Don't do anything, keep it up as it is. Now take the fractional part, right? Now take this fractional part.
Sir,
Yes.
excuse me. Can you speak in sorry? Can you explain in Tamil after explain?
Yeah, sure.
Please, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Right. So now we are multiplied by 2, then we get 1.1, right? After that, we have to keep this. Don't do anything with this integer. Now, in this 1.1, take the decimal value. Decimal value is 0.1. Then again multiply this 0.1 by 2. 0.2. Then we get what? We will get 0.2. We will get 0.2. And again multiply this. Right? So until we don't get any fractional number. So again we can multiply this by 2. 0.2 multiplied by 2, we get 0.4, right? Then again we can multiply 0.4 by 2, 0.8, right? Again we can multiply 0.8. We get 1.6, right? So like that we can continue. Now earlier in the case of integer number, we took from bottom to top, but here for the decimal number we have to take it from top to bottom, right? So let me take one more example and explain it in Tamil, right? So it will be very clear, right? Now we are going to convert fractional decimals to binary. So what we want to do is we want to convert 0.8581 with base 10 to binary. So how do we do that? Now we get 0.8110, right? So 0.81 multiplied by 2. So this is the base, right, for binary. If we want to convert to octal, instead of multiplying by 2, we have to multiply it by 8. If it is hexadecimal, we have to multiply it by 16. So here we are converting to binary. So you take the number and multiply by binary. So 0.81 multiplied by 2, we get 1.62. Now keep this 1. Don't do anything. Now take this decimal, right? Take this decimal value and then multiply it by 2. Then we get 1.24. Keep the integer value, take the decimal part or fractional part, right? Now again multiplied by 2, 0.24 multiplied by 2, 0.48. So we get 0 here. Again multiplied by 2, this, we get this one. And again we get 1.92. So we are keep on doing this, right? So it will keep on going, right? So you can stop after some time if you want to stop. For example, here we have stopped with 6 fractional numbers, right? Approximately. Even you can again, you can multiply by 0.84, right? So let me take this value 0.625 base 10. Now we want to convert this to binary. So what we have to do? We have to multiply this 0. Into 2. So we get 1.25. We'll get 1.25. We'll get 1.250. So we don't need to mention this, right? Now keep 1 as it is. Take this fractional part 0.25, then multiply by 2. Then we will get 0.5. Then take this fractional part 0.5 into 2. Then we will get 1.0. Now since we got fractional part is 0, now we can stop with this. Now first put the 0 point, then from bottom to top, from top to bottom, put 1, then 0, then 1. So 0.625 base 10 is equal to 0.101 in binary, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
What about others? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Yes.
இந்த தசமான்கள் முழுவன்களுக்கு சரி ஆப்போசிட். அங்க பிரிக்கணும், இங்க பெருக்கணும்.
Yes.
அங்க கீழே இருந்து சாரி bottom to top on, இங்க top in the bottom on.
Yes, yes. So that way you can remember, right? So after finishing this, I will give a short summary like that, then you can easily remember. Now we will see another example. In practical, sometime you may be asked to convert like this. Now we have to convert 1.25 1.25 base 10 to bind. This is the maximum you can be asked to do. So don't need to worry, right? Only thing you will forget after some time. So you have to keep on repeating this. That's the thing, right? It's very simple. Even you would have learned this in O level, but sometime you might have forgotten. So do some exercises then and there, then you will remember. In case if you forget, I will upload this recording to YouTube so you can watch it. So now 1.25 base 10, we want to convert this to binary, right? Now let me take a new sheet. Right. Now it has two parts. Now it has two parts. This part is integer. This part is fraction. Right. So integer, you have to follow the way how we have to convert integer to binary. Decimal, you have to follow of decimal or fractional, you have to follow the way how we convert a fractional number to binary. So first we will take this integer value. So it's very simple and very straightforward. So you have to divide this by 2. So 1 cannot be divided by 2. So it will be 0 and the balance is 1. Right. Now for the integer part, we have got 1. Right. So 1. Let's keep this 1. Right. Now we will take this fractional or decimal part, that is 0.25. So how do we convert fractional number? So multiplied by 2. Then we get 0.5. 0.25 multiplied by 2, we get 0.5. Now we have to multiply this 0.5. 0.5 into 2. Now you get 1.0. 1.0. Right. Now for this fractional part, you know, right, we have to write it from top to bottom. So top to bottom, 0, 1. Then this one. So for the 0.25, you convert to binary, it will come like this. For the integer part 1, it will come 1. So in that case, so now we have 1 plus 0.11. So otherwise you can, instead of this 0, you can put this integer part. So we will get 1.01. So this is the base 2. It means 1.25 base 10 is equal to 1.01. Sorry, 1.01 base 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have to remember integer part, we have to do this way, the way how we convert integer to binary or any other base. So likewise for the decimal or the fractional part, we have to follow the fractional way. Now a quick exercise, can you do this please? 2.5 base 10. Now you want to convert this to binary. Can you convert this? Integer part first. So 2 divided by 2, we get 1. The balance is 0. Remainder is 0. Now again 1 is there. We have to divide this 1 by 2. and it is 0 and then 1. So make sure this has to become 0, right? You can't stop with this. So now bottom to top. So integer 2 10 10 10 base 2, right? So it's going to come 10, so 10, because we have to take from bottom to top. So 10 point. Now take this fractional part, that is 0.5. So 0.5 multiplied by 2, then we will get 1.00. So with this we can stop, right? Because there is no any other fractional value, it comes as 0, so 1. So since we have only one value, you can take it top to bottom or bottom to top, no issues. So 1. So this 1 means 0.1, right? So already 10 is here 0.1. So it's going to be okay there. So here once again we have two parts. One is integer part and another part is fractional part. So integer part we will work out. So 3 divided by 2, so 1, the remainder is 1. 1 divided by 2, 0, the remainder is 1, right? So now we can stop with this. So from bottom to top we have to read. So 1 1. So it means if the base 3 base 10 will be equal to 1 1 base 2. Now there are some decimal values, so 7 5. So here it's going to come like this, some value is going to come here. So that using this 0.75 we have to convert that to binary fractional number. So now we will take that 0.75 into 2, get 1.5, keep 1 as it is, take this 0.5 into 2, get 1, right? 1.0 will get. So the fractional part is 0. So now we can stop with this. So here if it is a decimal or fractional value, we have to take from top to bottom, this order. So 1 1. So this is actually 0.11. Already we have 11. So 11.11 is going to be the answer. Now this is the another example. So we see, right? So conversion of fractional decimals to binary. So this is what we have been discussing now, right? So if there is an integer and decimal or fractional part in the same number, for the integer part, you divide it, right? And take the bottom to top value reading. For the decimal part or fractional part, you multiply it by 2, right? And take it from top to bottom, top to bottom. So this is some exercise, right? So it is very similar, right? No matter whether it is octal or binary or, okay, I will do these three, right? As a exercise, you can try it at home. So the same way, so you can try this at home, right? We don't need to take time here, but anyway, I will show you now, right? So at home you can try it. So now conversion of fractional decimal to octal, it is same, right? Only thing, in the binary we multiplied by 2. Here in the octal we have to multiply by 8. So first 0.25, so multiplied by 8. So 8 times it will get 2.0. 2.0. So you have to take from top to bottom, and also don't put 2, is wrong, right? Because it's a decimal value. So you have to put 0 and then equal 0.2 base 8. So you can mark this. If you need, you can note it, then you can try it at home. If there are any doubts, you can ask in the next class, right? So this is the answer for this for exercise 1. So now let me show you second one, right? 0.34, and we have to multiply it by 8. So two 32, so 2 24 and 2, right? Seven two, right? So you have to take this 0.72 multiplied by 8, you will get 5.76. Then you again, right? You do it. Then what you have to do is you have to put 0.25 and so on. It will keep on going, right? So this is the way you have to calculate. If it is decimal, for I'll take one example and do the conversion for all the three values, right? 0.25, 10. So let's try to convert to base 2, octal, and also hexadecimal, right? To get 0.5, 0.5 into 2, we get 1.0. So 0.25 is 10, 0.01 base 2, right? So it is 0.01 base 2. If you want to convert to octal, you have to multiply it by 8. Then we get 2.0. We get 2.0. So since the decimal fractional part is 0, we can stop with this. So it's going to come 0.2. 0.2. So 0.2 base 8 for hexadecimal. again, what we have to do is 0.25 multiplied by 16. So 16 we'll get 4.0. So again it's 0. So we can stop with this. So in that case, how it's going to come? It will be coming like this, 0.4 base 16. So if there is a integer number here, right? So you have to divide that by the base until you get remainder 0. Then from bottom to top, you have to write it in front of this decimal value, right? This is how we have to convert. Is it clear?
Yep, sir. It's clear.
So far what we have studied is, right? Let me type all this, write it decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. Integer. So decimal to binary conversion we have discussed. Integer numbers. Hexadecimal also we have discussed. Octal also you can do that. Likewise, fractional numbers also from decimal to will be able to convert to binary, hexadecimal and also octal. So you should be able to do this. So for example, if I type 1, 2, 3, 4 base 10, you should be able to convert to base 2, base 8 and also base 16. How do we do that? For the integer part, right? You have to divide by the base. Divide by the base. If you want to convert to 2, you have to divide by 2. If you want to convert to base 8, you have to divide by 8. If you want to convert to base 16, you have to divide by 16 and then take reading from bottom to top. For this fractional part, multiply by base. So if you want to convert this to this decimal 3, 4 into base 2, you have to multiply by 2. If you want to convert to octal, you have to multiply it by 8. If you want to convert to hexadecimal, multiply by 16. Then take the reading from top to bottom. Right? This is the summary. It's the summary of what we studied so far. So here are some additional exercises, right? So you can do that, right? If possible, I will work out on this and I will upload it, right? I will upload to the Google Classroom. So with your answers, you can check it hopefully by next week, right?